Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping any writes immediately. Mount the affected volume read-only or detach it. Make a forensic image of the disk using DD or a modern imaging tool because working on a copy preserves evidence. Once done, record server identifiers and backup timestamps so you can correlate files later. You must gather recovery tools now: a live recovery OS, test disk, PhotoRec, and rsync for later transfer. This prevents accidental overwrite and gives you a controlled workspace to recover safely. You run targeted scans next. Use file system-aware tools so you recover file names and metadata when possible. For ext4 or XFS, analyze journals and inode tables. For NTFS, inspect MFT entries. If metadata is gone, use signature-based carving, PhotoRec, or similar to extract file bodies. Once you extract candidates, write them to a separate drive, not the source. Then compute checksums to validate integrity and sort duplicates. Make notes about recovered paths so you can now reconstruct and validate recovered files. Map file names to original locations using your logs and timestamps, and restore into a staging server first to test behavior. Once verified, sync back to production with rsync and preserve permissions and ownership. Make sure to run file system checks like FSCK or XFS repair if corruption persists. If files are missing or corrupted, check system logs and recovery logs. Consider re-imaging and repeating scans or contacting a specialist. Keep clear notes so you can repeat steps reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.